Hey everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. So today I'm back with the other interview question. So today we have a question is we have to find the cities where the COVID cases are increasing continuously. All right. So we have a table like city, days, cases, and in the city column we have Delhi where cases are increasing day by day. Okay. So on the 1st of January the cases were 100, on the 2nd of January cases were 200, and the 3rd of January cases were 300. So cases are continuously increasing day by day. Okay, in Mumbai we can check 1st of January were 100, 2nd of January were 300. Sorry, 2nd of January were 100 and 3rd of January were 300. So the cases are not increasing continuously. Okay, so in Chennai, so 1st of January were 100, 2nd of January were 200, and 3rd of January it decreased to 150. So it is not the output we have. Okay, so in the Bangalore, 1st of January 100, 2nd of January 300, and in the 3rd of January it's 200. So this is not the output. Okay, so we want Delhi as output because cases are increasing day by day. Okay, so the condition is case should be increasing the day by day, so we want that city only. All right, so how can we do that? Okay, so let me build a logic for you. All right, so first of all, what we want city and days, city and days and cases. Okay, so now for that purpose, if we want to have a city where cases are increasing day by day, so we will generate some ranks. Okay, some ranks, and we will make some differences on a basis of that values we get some output. Okay, so let me take you there. Okay, just be with me. So rank over partition by city and order by days. Okay, so we have created a column of rank here. We are giving some ranks to this table, and let's rename this rank days. Okay, now again I'm creating another column, and this should be as a cases. Okay, as rnk cases. All right, so we have these two values, these two columns. Okay, so what I'm going to do is next to subtract this from this. Okay, so let me minus it from this rank to this rank. Okay, so on the basis of these values, these difference values, we will get the output. So Bangalore 0 1 minus 1 0, Chennai 0 1 minus 1 0, Delhi 0 0 0, Mumbai 0 1 0. All right, perfect. So let me create a city. Okay, select. So what I want city. Okay, from CTE. Okay, so what I want city, and so for that I'll group this column. Okay, so I'll take account of this. Okay, so for a Bangalore group, okay, I'll create a group for a Bangalore, and I will check whether how many numbers of zeros, how many ones, how many minus ones, and how many zeros. Okay, so 0 has 1, 0 has 2 count, and 1 has 2 count, and 3 has minus 1 has 3 count. So that means the total count would be 3 values. We have 3 distinct values we have in a Bangalore section, and 3 distinct values we have in a Chennai section, but 1 distinct value we have in Delhi section. So that means we want Delhi because we do not have we have only consecutive values, increasing continuously values of COVID cases. Okay, so that's why 000 is here, and that's why we have generated these two columns to subtract this, and we'll get these values. So on a basis of these values we will generate the output. And as you can see in a Mumbai we have only 2 distinct values. All right, so let me give it the clarity. So count distinct df. Let me give it the meaningful name diff. Okay, all right, from city and group by city. All right, so 3 3 3 1. Okay, so we want Delhi. Okay, so let me give the condition here, having distinct count, equals to 1, and the minimum diff value should be equals to 0. All right. Perfect. So we have a Delhi. All right. So that's how you can generate this output. And so we can do this query on a one more interesting way. So with the help of lag functions. Okay, let me take you over there. Okay. So let me write another query for you. So what we're going to do here, we'll compare the previous day's value from the current day value. All right. So just be with me. City and days and cases and lag function here. In the lag function we put cases, okay, and the over clause order partition by city and order by cases. All right. So let me run this query for you, and this is the case we have. Okay. So what I'm going to tell you here is, so in the Bangalore we can check the first day is 100 and the previous day value is next day value is 200, 300, and the previous day value is 200. Okay. So all right, so I think we should put days here. All right. So first day value, the cases were 100, second day 300, but previous day value is 100. Okay, so that's how it goes, and you can check. So now what we're going to do here is we're gonna compare the cases value from the previous day's column. All right, so let me rename this is previous day's cases. All right, and now let's create a CTE here. We're gonna compare the value from CTE. Okay, so now what we're going to do here is we're going to check whether this value is greater than less than or equal to from this value. Okay, because if this value is greater than and this value is the smaller, so that means the cases are increasing. But what we want the lesser value from this column. Okay, because 200 is not equals to and 300. Okay, because case has decreased. Okay, because the previous day value is this and the next day value is become 200, so that means cases are decreasing. So we want those cities only where cases are not decreasing. Okay, city from CTE where cases less than or equal to previous day cases. All right, so we have Bangalore, Chennai, Mumbai. Okay, so we do not have Delhi. Okay, so what we want, we will extract the Delhi from the main table. All right, so now what we're going to do here is not increasing cities, as we have created the another city, and select city from COVID, city from COVID where city not in. Let's create a subquery and select city from non-increasing cities. Okay, and we want distinct cities, DIS distinct cities. All right, guys, so Delhi is the answer, and we have the city where cases are increasing continuously. All right, so that's how you can generate this output, and there are two queries in front of you. So these are very simple queries but quite logical, and you should learn to build the logic in these queries. Okay, so thank you so much for your time, and if you like the video, hit the like button and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much, guys.